We'll now look at an example for expected value or expectation. 1,000 raffle tickets are sold for $1 each. The grand prize of $500 is awarded and 2 consolation prizes of $100 will be awarded. Find the expected value if you purchase 1 ticket. To work this problem, there are 3 options that we need to consider. First, we need to look at the possibility of winning the grand prize. Remember that we need to look at the net value of our win. So if I win the grand prize, I win $500, but I had to pay $1 for my ticket. And so my net value is going to be $499. Again, this is the $500 prize minus the $1 price of the ticket. Another option is that I could win one of the consolation prizes. And so let's consider the net value of doing that. The consolation prize is $100. But again, I paid $1 for my ticket, and so my net value for the consolation prize is $99. Again, that's the $100 prize minus the $1 ticket. The third option that could happen for me if I buy a ticket is that I could lose. I could not win any prize at all. And so let's consider what happens there for our net value. If I buy my ticket at $1 and I don't win anything, then essentially I have lost the price of that ticket. So I have lost $1. So these are the 3 amounts that we have to consider when we calculate the expected value. We also need the probability for each of these options. So what are our chances of winning the grand prize? We know that the grand prize, that there's only one of those. So there's 1 ticket out of 1,000 that wins the grand prize. So the probability of winning the grand prize is 1 out of 1,000. For the consolation prize, again, there are 1,000 tickets total. How many of those tickets win a consolation prize? They're giving away 2 of the consolation prizes. So we have 2 chances in 1,000 to win the consolation prize. And finally, what are our chances for losing? Again, there's still 1,000 tickets total. How many of those tickets are losing tickets? Well, we know that we have 1 ticket and another 2 tickets, so a total of 3 tickets win prizes. Everything else loses. So if 3 tickets win, that leaves 997 tickets that don't win anything at all. Now remember, to calculate expected value, you're going to multiply the net value times the corresponding probability and add them up. So we're going to multiply right in here, and then we'll add the results. So 499 times 1,000, we can't do much simplifying there. We're just going to write it 499 over 1,000. 99 times 2 over 1,000. 99 times 2 is 198. And 1,000 times 1 is going to stay 1,000. That can be reduced, but we may find it easier to reduce at the end. And then finally, 1 times 997, or actually negative 1, so we're going to have negative 997 over 1,000. And remember that it is these 3 values that we need to add up in order to calculate our expected value. So we're going to add 499 and 198, and then we're going to subtract 997. And so doing that on my calculator, 499 plus 198 minus 997 leaves me negative 300 for my numerator, and my denominator will stay the same at 1,000. And so dividing this out, negative 300 divided by 1,000, that equals negative 0.30. And remember that this is money, so we're talking about negative 30 cents for our final answer. So her expectation is a negative 30 cents loss per ticket that she purchases. Now let's take that to part B. Part B says, find the expected value if you purchase 5 tickets. So we know that if she purchases 1 ticket, that her expected value is a loss of 30 cents. So now we're being asked, what happens if she purchases 5 tickets? And so we simply need to multiply. We need to take that negative 0.30 for 1 ticket, and we need to multiply by 5 because we're going to buy 5 tickets. And therefore, we would get a negative $1.50.